Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So listen, y'all. In this video, we got to talk, all right? The market is in shambles, okay? It's chaotic, it's ridiculous, it's crazy. I know y'all like, what's going on? What the hell? Oh, that was crazy. I was just up money. I just was down money. Now I'm up. Like, I know it's crazy, all right? So first off, yesterday I told myself I was not going to go live today. But because of the day that we just had in the market, I'm going to go live today. I'm going to go live at 4:15 Eastern, okay? I'm going to go live at, no. 7:15 Eastern, okay? Yeah, 7:15 Eastern is when I'm going live, okay? A little bit earlier than usual. 7:15 Eastern, 4:15 Pacific, okay? Now, a couple things I want to talk about. Number one, I know people got absolutely charbroiled cooked today, and I know that a lot of people made a lot of money today. Now, I made a video earlier this week about the manipulation. I told you guys, y'all want you to think about it. Yesterday was Wednesday, right? Yesterday was Wednesday. Contracts on the Mag 7 stocks, which are the biggest companies, they expired on Wednesday. The market was just kind of up and down. Today, whole market tanks after contracts expired on Wednesday. I told you guys, and I made that video for a reason. I hope you guys are paying attention. I'm giving you guys real game on how to navigate this stuff, okay? Nothing that I say in these videos is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, talk to a licensed financial advisor, all right? But market drops today. After hours, what happens? Trump says something, stocks pop up. Is it going to hold? I don't know. Is it going to drop more? I don't know. Is it going to go up? I don't know. But what I do know is a couple things. If you don't understand the concept of supply and demand, you don't need to be trading. Period. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Okay? If you don't understand liquidity, you're going to get absolutely obliterated and your account is going to dwindle faster than you can breathe air. Okay? Real talk. This is real talk right now. I know we be having fun on live, we be joking, blah, blah, blah. I get all of that. But listen, this is real life right now. Okay? They're playing games. The powers that be, your boy Donnie or 47, whatever you want to call him, the orange man, I don't care what you call him. I'm not even mad. I just know that people's lives are at stake here. I just know that there's people stressed out about what's going on in the market. I just know that people are stressed out about their retirement, their 401ks. I know this. But if you want to get into the world of trading and you think you're going to do this by yourself and you never done it, I promise you're going to be in for a rude awakening. I promise you're going to be in for a rude awakening. You are going to get absolutely crushed with how the market is going right now. Absolutely crushed. Okay? Inside of the Discord, my goal is not only to help you make money, we also want to help you not lose money. Okay? So let me ask you a question. How much would you pay to ensure you don't lose $5,000? How much would you pay to ensure you don't lose $10,000? Right? So if you don't understand the concept of liquidity and order blocks, you need to reassess if you're serious about this. Okay? You got to get in the books. You got to study. The more you study, the less you worry. I say this all the time. Okay? This is not a game right now. What's going on? This is a emergency almost. Okay, I'm calling it an emergency. So tonight on live, we're going to talk about how to navigate what's going on. Okay? We're going to talk about how to navigate what's going on. I already had it made up in my mind that I wasn't going to do a live tonight. I was like, I'm going to take off. But because I have empathy and an actual heart for what's going on in the market, and because I know what days like this feel like, and people got crushed, I know I was like, man, look, let me just go on live today. I'll take a different day off. Okay? This is deeper than finding a setup. This is deeper than what stock is going to do this and that. No, this is way deeper than that. All right? Way deeper than that. So make sure you guys are on live tonight at 7:15 Eastern, okay? 7:15 Eastern, 4:15 Pacific. All right? We're going to talk about how to navigate this stuff. But this is not a game. The market is in shambles. The market is in absolute shambles, y'all. Okay? It's a lot going on. It's a lot of, obviously manipulation. We've been seeing that more and more. Look at this. Look at this right here, y'all. Look. On the 30-minute, we pop up, reject, come all the way down. After hours, look what happens. Right? Look at that. We closed below support. We closed below support, and look what happens. Straight up bounce. Crazy bounce off of a tweet. Right? Now we did come back down. But we don't know what's about to happen. Right now we're in between buyers and sellers. This is nothing but a manipulation, right? We got a gap to fill to the downside. We were coming right down here, 245. Right? Just look at the market. A little pop up here, nothing too crazy. Right? Nvidia popped up right here. Okay? We're talking about really, really, really interesting things that are going on in the market. Look at SPY. Popped up right there. Okay? Came right back down. But nonetheless, 645 it closed at. Now we're sitting at 646, but it popped all the way up to 652. All right? This is a manipulation. Straight up. All right? This is all games being played right here. Okay? This is games being played right here, y'all. They have to get liquidity. Okay? We still coming down, but if you don't know how to handle this and maneuver in this, you're going to get absolutely crushed. Okay? So make sure you guys are on live tonight, because I wasn't going to go, but I know I got to be there for y'all, because I know a lot of y'all don't know what's going on for real. Y'all think it's just about a call out. Okay? We're going to talk about how to navigate this, and we're going to get it in. All right? So make sure you guys are on live. If you're going to be on live, let me know in the comments. All right? 7:15 Eastern, 4:15 Pacific. I'm going to see y'all later on tonight. All right? Like I always say, make sure you get about your head. Go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? Also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at y'all later on today. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.